Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Infitech. In this video, we are going to look at a small demonstration on Hero Widget or Hero Animation in Flutter. So the Hero Animation is the most probably the easiest or simplest animation given to us by the Flutter. So here basically to demonstrate about the Hero Widget, here I am having two screens. The one is Hero Animation screen and the other is Homepage screen. So basically we are on this Hero Animation screen. So I am having the simple app bar in this Kfold widget. So now I am going to create a simple floating action button. So here I am going to say it's a container. So in this container I am going to give the Flutter logo as the child widget. So I am also going to give some size. So and now I am going to wrap this container with the Hero widget. So this Hero widget takes the tag property. Here I am going to give the tag name as demo, and again this container I am going to wrap this container with the I'm going to wrap this Hero widget with the gesture detector widget. So I'm going to say on tap. I'm going to navigate to the home page screen, which is here. Okay. So now here in this home page screen, I'm going to define the body property of this Kfold, and I'm going to make use of the Flutter logo to the center of the screen. So I can also give the size. Let's give 150. So when I hot reload, you can see the Flutter logo in as a FAB button. So when I click on this, so now I have to wrap this Flutter logo with the Hero widget. So I have to give the tag. So the tag name should be the tag. Both the tag name should be equal. So now when I hot reload and when I tap on this, you can see the animation, right? So when I click on this, the logo is being animated to the center of the screen. So this is how the Hero animation works. You can also customize these Hero animations. Let's say if you want. So when you this logo is the source here, and this is the destination here. So it is taking some time to animate to the destination, right? So while this logo leaves the flight from the source, so you can the destination will be empty. You can always customize with the placeholder. So in this Hero widget, you can make use of this placeholder builder. This text context size as well as widget. You can return any of the widget here. You can say circular progress indicator. You can return the circular progress indicator. You can make it to the center, and now if you click here, you can see the circular progress indicator. So that is being coming in between the flight of the source and destination. So this is how Hero animation works. So the most important thing is the tag should be equal for both the source and the destination Hero widgets. So that's the only requirement. Rest all you can customize and go accordingly. So Hero animation is as simple as that. So this is how Hero animation works in Flutter. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.